Amsterdam, drunk off vibe. London, England, drunk off vibe. Hit the States and we drunk off vibe. Pretty girl, broke off wine. Flex in a babe, skirt in a rave. Why y'all in my face? You don't know my name. Drop down, the whole place shut down. Hey, drop down, so much love now. Hey.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification. Right now, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so today I'm in my room and I am going through my closet. There's a lot of clothes in my closet that still have the tags on them and things that I haven't worn, things that I'm not going to wear. So what I did was I actually opened a Poshmark account. And Poshmark is like an app where people can, like, you resell stuff. It's like a resale app for clothes, and I think they have like other things on there too. But I opened a Poshmark store, so I'll be showing y'all some of the clothes that I'm going to be selling on Poshmark. This is a bunch of them right here. So I'm gonna try them on, and then I'm gonna let y'all take a look at them. If you're interested in purchasing them, they'll be available on my Poshmark site. Where you can DM me as well. But there's a lot of stuff that I have that still has the freaking tags on it. The Poshmark store is actually already up and running. I have 3 items on there, and this is the first item that I have on there. This is from Bashahova. And this really cute two-piece. I ordered this because in December I had went to Mexico and I really wanted this outfit to go on vacation. I bought it. I was so excited to get it, and Bashahova sent the wrong size. First of all, the package came late. I never received the package. It was supposed to be next day, and I didn't get it next day. I got it like in 2 weeks after my vacation, and I ordered it way before because I spent like $100 and some to go on vacation, but I never got my clothes, and they came in the wrong size. So this is what the bottoms looks like. They're pants. This is the top, and it's a large and I need a small, so that's a big difference. I can't even pull it off. I can't even hem it and fix it, so I have to sell it. I know this probably isn't the best place to be doing this video, and hopefully the lighting's okay, but this is what it looks like on me. As y'all can see, it's way too big. It's way too big. It won't even stay up. The top is way too big. It's really cute though, and it's pants, but there's like slits on the side. It would have been so cute for Mexico. Like, man, I was so mad when I got this, and it was like, I didn't even get it before I left anyway. But when I did get it, I was like, wow, they really sent the wrong size. Okay, Fashion Nova. So this is available for purchase on my Poshmark. Brand new, never worn before. It's been sitting in my closet since December. The original cost was $50, $49.99. It is a size large from Bashahova. This is another item that I have for sale on my Poshmark, evening gown. And I bought this to go to Mexico. I was going to Mexico. We were going on a cruise, and there's gonna be like a captain's dinner, and we were all gonna dress up, and this is the dress that I ordered. It would have been so bomb. You can probably tell by looking at it. I mean, it's obvious that it came in the wrong size. It's way too big for me, but the material's really comfortable. It has like a little slit, like it's so flowy. Like this would have been so bomb. I had to get some. I ended up going to a store here at Westgate in Arizona. It's called XI, and I actually ended up getting a couple outfits last minute from there. But yeah, this is from Bashahova. Still has the tags on it. Never worn it before. Obviously, you can't wear it. Not going to wear it. So if anybody needs a dress like this and you're a large, it is available to order on my Poshmark. The original cost on this was $39.99 and brand new tag still on it from Bashahova. I think I'm selling it on my Poshmark for $25. So it's if you need a dress, it's a good deal. This is another little skirt that I have on my Poshmark as well. It's super cute. I liked it when I bought it, but then I didn't really realize that. Look at the back, like right here. I can't fix that. Like, it's because my waist is tiny, but my butt isn't like really, but it just sticks out too far. There's no way I could fix that. And if I was gonna wear this, I'd wear it with like maybe a little bandeau like this or something like fringy. Like that'd be cute, like a halter type of like fringe and like some booties or some heels or something like that. But Or even like, I could put like this one with a t-shirt and some Vans. Oh, that actually might be cute. If I wear a big t-shirt, it'll go over. I do have this one on my Poshmark right now, and I think I'm selling it for $12. And the original cost is $22. So $22, and you can have it for $12. It's patent leather. It has like little tiny pockets on each side, and the zipper's in the back. And it's a large. It's so hard for me to find sizes. Like, I don't know what exact size I need. Like, and then all clothes fit different. Like anywhere you go, I could be a medium one place, a small another place, and then other places I'm a large. Like, it's really weird. This dress is from Fashion Hova, but this dress I've never worn before. I think the tag is still on it somewhere. I love this dress. I love the color. My sister gave this dress to me because she didn't want it anymore, and she got it and didn't wear it. And I was going to wear it somewhere, and I was picking out my outfit, and I was doing my nails at the same time. I was trying to multitask, and I don't know what happened, but I accidentally got nail glue on the side of the fucking dress. There's no way I can get that off. I don't know how to get that off, and it sucks though, because this is such a good dress. Like, this is such a comfortable dress. I love things that have like slit on the sides. Like, I like how it fits. Such a sexy dress, but I don't know what to do. Like, if anybody knows how to get nail glue off, or do you think this can be saved, or what? If you have any ideas on how I can save this, or if I should even sell it, should I sell it for like $5? Let me know in the comments below if you think somebody would buy this, even though I have this one. Never been worn before. It's from Fashion Over. I think the original price was like $29.99. I don't know what to do with it. It's really cute. It's a little romper. It's short, and it's very flowy. I really like this outfit. The only reason I've worn it once or twice. I think I wore it twice. But I just want to sell it just because, first of all, y'all can tell the front is like a mesh. It's like a lacy, and there's no like nothing under here. So when I wore it, I had to find something new to go under here to wear it, and then the back is out too. So if you wear a shirt underneath, it's gonna like show in the back. So I had to get like some kind of halter top thing. I had to like literally rig it up in order to be able to wear it, because I didn't want to wear it out like this. Wore this out, some really cute heels, and the heels had laces. They were like little booties. They were really cute. But I was out and I was talking to somebody, and somebody came up behind me and put their hand like up my shorts. Like, it's like I was so pissed. I don't want this anymore. I'm not gonna wear this out again. After that, like, I'm not gonna wear it out again. But it's really comfortable. You can like, it's comfortable. I don't know, like what was the design? Was this meant to be worn with these out? Like, I would wear it like that, but not here. Maybe if I was on vacations, like if I was in Vegas or somewhere, but not here in Arizona. But so I'm selling this, and I think I have this. The original cost on this, I think it was like $25. I got it from a store called XI, and I'm selling it for $12. The last dress that I'm gonna put on Poshmark. This dress, I actually found it thrifting, and I just liked it because I like the color of it, and I just thought it was different. And then I don't know why I never wore it. I can't remember where I was going, and I needed something to wear, and I bought this, but I ended up not wearing it. So I've never worn it before, but it's very like 2007 reality star. Me very trashed girl at the party vibes. Oh my god, I'm so drunk. But I do like it. It's very comfortable. I just don't think I think it makes me look short. Maybe because of one sleeve out. Maybe if both sleeves are out, would be, I don't know. I don't know why. I just don't know if I like how it, I don't know. I don't know what I don't like about it. Something's off about it. That's why I didn't wear it in the, just something's off about it. I think I'm too short for this dress. So I'm gonna put this on Poshmark. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna sell yet. I'm thinking like maybe like $10. But this is the last item that I will have available for sale. I have a lot of other dresses too, but I'm not really sure if I want to sell these yet. I feel like I might still possibly wear them. so I'm still trying to decide. I'm still like going through everything. That is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Time out. Go subscribe right now. You've already watched this far into the video. You might as well go ahead and hit subscribe. I have other videos. I have playlists. Like, go get caught up. Know who I am. And just hit the subscribe button right now because you just belong here. So go ahead and hit subscribe and become a part of the gang. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.